y'all, it's LanaMor here. I'm back with another video, and as you can tell from the title, this week's video is going to be a video about my hair. Yes, today I am rocking this like top bun. So yes, this is actually my go-to hairstyle when I come out of braids, or if I'm trying to get a break from like the wigs or something. I do like rocking my natural hair, so yes, this is all me. Insert Drake song. But yes, this is my natural hair. This is actually my favorite bun to do, honestly, on a lazy day, on a day where I want to get glammed up like I am right now. So without further ado, you obviously clicked on this video for a reason, because you want to see the tutorial. So I did make sure in the video that I showed every product I'm using, and also I will leave the products down in the description box below. And without further ado, let's get right in this video. And also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, turn on those post notifications, y'all, and share this video with friends. You know, someone who may have my similar hair texture may be struggling on how to get their bun right, and I'm here to help. So, like I said, let go. Alright y'all, to get started with this tutorial, first you're going to need some edge tamer for the edges, some argan oil gel, a water bottle, spray bottle with water filled in it, a brush, and a toothbrush for the edges, obviously. And you're going to need a scrunchie of your choice. I call it scrunchie, some people call it hair tie, or elastic rubber band, wherever you like to put your bun in. Go for that. So to start off, we're going to spritz our hair with that spray bottle filled with water. It's just regular water, nothing special. So we're just going to spray that all over our head. And yes, and I had to grab my towel because sometimes, as you can see, the water's like dripping down my face. And just in case you have somewhere to go, you don't want water stains on your outfit, so it's good to put a towel on your lap while you're doing this. So be sure to have a towel nearby, something, because sometimes that water, if you decide to spray more water, I didn't do it this time, but sometimes I'll like spray more water and it'll start dripping down. But for this one's very simple. So I kind of just basically repeat the steps of like putting the gel, and put as much gel as I need, because you guys can see I look tired. But yeah, I just repeat those steps and brush up my hair all to towards the top of my head, because it's like a high bun. And then, I know, even though I don't have a lot of hair, I have like a medium length hair, but it's like, still, my hair is like super thick, y'all. So it could be very tiring, especially if I like keep putting my arms up and I'm like repeating these steps more than one time. So the struggle is real. So yeah, you're just gonna want to basically just brush all that up, y'all. Just brush it all up until you get your desired shape that you want. Make sure like you have everything brushed up. Then you're gonna hold the scrunchie the way I held my hair a certain way, so the scrunchie can go around like that to make like a perfect bun at the top. And also, I was looking for bobby pins, and I realized that I didn't have none on nearby, and I was honestly too lazy to get up and go get them out my drawer. But if your hair, like your bun, you can always pin like the extra like flyaway hairs down. And then I went to go grab my scarf. I guess I wasn't lazy to get that. So you're gonna first, ooh, yes, that gel does smell good, but first you're gonna take that toothbrush and then gel up your edges. Just like that. Yes. And then you're going to brush. After you gel them down, I like to go in with a brush to kind of make sure it's like all together. I don't like do those dramatic baby hairs, you know, that some people do when it comes to my buns. I might do it when it comes to like my braids, but like when it comes to like my natural hair, I try to like make it look as natural as possible and not look too crazy with the dramatic baby hairs. And then I do put a little bit of that edge gel on the back of my hair for the back of my edges. Well, I don't have edges in the back. Wow, Alana, get it together. I put it on the back of like the hairs that kind of like are very stubborn and don't want to seem to cooperate with the rest of my hair. And I like just put it all together. And then I decide, after I do this whole process, I end up putting the scarf on that I grabbed. So I'm going to take that scarf and put it on my head and tie it tight, y'all. Make sure it is secure. Not secure, secure. Make sure it's secure because you won't want it to fall off in your sleep. I've experienced that. So I put the scarf on because you could either 1, go to bed after you do this, or 2, do your makeup. And as you can tell, I end up doing my makeup. So I hope y'all enjoyed this look, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. LanaMor here. I'm back with another video, and this week's video, as you can tell from the title, it is my go-to hairstyle. Hairstyle? Are you serious, Alana? Hairstyle. What is going on? We need to cut. Hey y'all, it's LanaMor here. I'm back with another video, and this week's video is going to be, as you can tell. So you just gonna fall like that? You just gonna fall. Wow.